Hi all, in previous videos we talked about different phases of Maven build lifecycle. First we talked about validate phase, which checks whether all the required information is present in the project. Second phase was the compile phase, which compiles the source code of the project which resides inside src main Java. Then we talked about test compile phase, which compiles the test classes residing inside src test Java. Now, if we want to execute our unit test case, so next phase is test phase, we'll talk about. So, if we want to execute our unit test cases, then we use the test phase of Maven. Okay, and how unit test case are being identified by Maven? So, any class which is inside src test Java and contains test inside its name or contains or ends with test case, with these classes qualifies for the unit test classes. Okay, so in our case this is app test.java, where we have three functions: check breaks, which is just printing something like checking breaks, it is printing checking breaks. We have one function check wire, which is printing checking wire. We have one more function or test case, check pipeline, which is just printing checking pipeline. So we have three unit test cases: check breaks, check wire, and check pipeline. How to execute those? So we'll see. Okay. So I have this Maven target. Okay. I already have test class compiled here. Inside unit test case, I have unit test case class compiled. Even though if we do not have this, test phase will automatically execute all previous phases like validate, compile, and then test. Okay, so if I delete that, again it will create. Okay, let's try. Let me clear the screen. I'll say ambient test. Okay, it compiled. Okay, and if you see, it is printing checking breaks, checking pipeline, checking wire. It said test run 3, no failure. Okay, because we had 3 test cases. This is overall result. And inside Surefire, if we see this emailable report. If I open it, Google Chrome, so I can see this. It executed these 3 test cases: check breaks, check pipeline, check wire. Okay, and to execute these unit test cases, this Surefire plugin is responsible. Okay, this we'll talk about this configuration inside this plugin, how we can use it in the subsequent video. During verify phase we will talk about. Okay, thank you.